Hey everyone, it's technology expert Burton Kelso here with another tech tip to help you get the most out of the technology in your life. You love documents, I love documentaries. I didn't mean to say documents, but anyway, Documentary Heaven is the app that we're going to talk about today. Great website for those of you that love documentaries. I could watch these all day long. Nothing like watching a great program that allows you to get education at the same time. So if you like documentaries like I do, let's take a look at Documentary Heaven and see how you can enjoy great documentaries. We're going to switch screens here as we always do. If I can find a mouse, and we're off. There's Documentary Heaven, great website that allows you to watch documentaries for free. As you can see, you can browse documentaries and see which ones are on the website. You can also choose by category. So there's category here. So if you wanted to watch category or a documentary on drugs, you can definitely click on that. If you want to watch war, you can click on that. And as you can see, each documentary has its own rating system, and of course it's got its own category too. So you can also go and look at one of my favorite subjects, technology. So you can watch a documentary, leave your own comments, and you can also rate the documentary as well. You can also go to their top 10 list, which allows you to see the most watched documentaries on Documentary Heaven. So no app for this, just a great website that you can go to when you need something to watch or stream off the internet for free. And also the great thing about this website is that if you are a budding filmmaker, you can submit your own documentary as well, and you can upload it to YouTube because there's a link to the film. But it's a website I would recommend because you can learn something and watch it for free, which, in my opinion, there's nothing better than good free streaming video. So check out Documentary Heaven. For those of you that enjoy those documentaries, I think that you will enjoy it thoroughly. There you have it. As always, if you've got comments or questions, leave them in the comment section below. Would love to hear from you to find out what tech tip videos that you would like me to feature in the future. Also, if you like watching videos, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. So check us out on YouTube, or check me out on YouTube at Burton Kelso. Also, we're all over social media too, so you can check us out on social media to find more great tech tips that are going to help you get the most out of this technology that you use on a day-to-day basis. And finally, as always, thanks for watching, and take care of yourself and do many things